Welcome in my kitchen. Today I'm doing zucchini soup with tortellini. Don't worry, I've read everything for you. What we need and what we need to do step by step. Okay, first put your chicken or vegetable stock and we need zucchini for the small pieces. After that, we need to cook together with the stock for the softness. Zucchini is almost done. Now time for garlic. Yeah, garlic. Another. This soup is incredible, tasty, and very healthy. And garlic is good for almost everything. Okay, now we need put hot soup to the plastic bowl and blending for the cream, for the consistency, cream and soft. Yeah, for the blend everything together. Just be careful because it's very hot soup. Yeah, quickly. Almost done. Just a little bit more. Double check is everything blending. Okay, go back and mix. Now we put tortellini before cook in hot water. Couple minutes, bowl. Just tasty. Time for spring onion. I use it and scissor, kitchen scissor. It's a good idea and very helping in kitchen, but not use it the same for all stuff. See, this scissor is just for the kitchen stuff. Yeah. Okay, the same with parsley. Mix together. Now it's time. Pepper, salt, ready. Okay, almost ready because I like give something special and this one cheese is special. That's why this soup is taste. Yeah, just not a lot. It's not easy. It's a very hard cheese. Okay, done. Bon appetit. See you next time. Bye.